Hi, I'm Howard Jones. I am the water manager for the City of Gillette, and I'm here today to talk about our annual hydrant flushing program that we perform. Flushing fire hydrants has many benefits, and I'm here today to walk you through the basic process and advantages of flushing the water system via the fire hydrants in the City of Gillette. After going through the winter season, we begin hydrant flushing because of the low flows versus the summer when the water is being used at higher volumes. The temperature needs to be above freezing. We then go over the map system of all the water lines and pick the points where to begin hydrant flushing. There are 2,385 hydrants and 386 miles of piping in the city. This system supplies water to all residential and commercial customers, as well as fire department usage. Much of the water system is gravity fed by large tanks throughout the city. 70% of the water in those large tanks is used for pressure and fire flow. Only 1/3 is used for potable or water consumption. With the connection to the Madison well fields, we have the capacity to match the 11 million gallons per day that we typically use in the summertime. The reasons why we flush the hydrant systems each year is to eliminate any buildup or deposits that may occur over low flow periods. We begin flushing the hydrant system on the north and west sides of town and work our way inward, choosing the hydrants that are typically located in cul-de-sacs. These hydrants are where the lines end and will ensure a thorough clean out of the entire line. Special equipment and extension hoses are used in order to minimize pooling or flooding of the area. Depending on the water main lines, it typically takes approximately 5 minutes to an hour to flush one hydrant line. Using an interactive map which shows the location of all the hydrants, crews can see what type of pipe is in the area, as well as keeping track of when the pipes were last flushed, or if there are any problems or other vital information. This helps keep the system running smoothly and efficiently. Flushing the entire system takes approximately 2 months to complete, working closely with residents and businesses so services have limited to no interruption. The hydrant system is a dry barrel system, which means that the water doesn't sit above ground. This is crucial in our area so that if a hydrant is damaged by a vehicle or the temperature drops drastically, the hydrant doesn't burst. The entire flushing of the system takes approximately 1 million gallons over a 2-month period. This is comparable to the amount of water used on the average hot day of watering residential yards. The essential reason for hydrant flushing is to clean the lines and get all of the hydrants maintained and operable so that our city has water and water is readily available to serve the fire department. Many precautions are taken in the maintenance of hydrants, including using food-grade grease to ensure bolts can move with ease and minimize corrosion while keeping any possible contamination non-existent. The maintenance and testing also affects the ISO rating for local insurance rates. For this reason, the city keeps a strict schedule for annual maintenance and testing. This has been a brief look at why and when we flush the water hydrant system each year.